I decided to get myself a birthday present. I had just recently found a company through Instagram that has these monthly witch casket subscriptions. It's very bacony, witchy boxes that you subscribe to, and you have no idea what you're getting. Every month you will receive a package to your home, and the package is filled with different witchy items. Their Instagram looked absolutely stunning, and I kept following their stories and people who had received the packages, and it looked really interesting. When I went to their website, there was only the option to subscribe. There was an option for the shop as well, but in order to access the shop, you would need to order first or become a member, which then will give you the password to the shop. So the shop is basically leftovers from previous packages. So this is just something that I bought for myself, because Queen of the Day. And this is the actual package. It came in this black bag that says "Sent with love from the UK." And it's also 100% biodegradable. If you are within the UK, the package is £29, including postage. I think within the Europe, and it might be international as well. Am I lying badly if I say internationally? At least within Europe, I think it was £34. Each of these boxes, there is stuff worth of £50, which we go. The box is so cool. It looks like a little treasure chest. Kitchen witch. So that's also one thing. They have like monthly theme. I suppose this is since this was on top, I think this is basically describing what's gonna be inside. So wooden essential oils holder. So all of these items are Witch Casket exclusive, so you can't really get them from anywhere. They're supposed to be a glass potion bottle, cauldron enamel pin, kitchen witch magical herb selection, witch's brews parchment scroll. Oh, it continues. There's supposed to be a potion kit, abundance oil blend, wooden brewing spoon, good fortune rooibos licorice tea blend. Oh, nice. Tumbled stone and info card, peach moonstone, and poisonous plants art print. So it has the recipe for the potion. Yes, the herbs. This smells amazing. I love how everything comes in a biodegradable bag as well. It's really nice. And then with the stone. Nice. I'm gonna put them back for now. I think this is a really cool idea though, just of things that you didn't know. I used to have a backpack full of these. I don't really wear these anymore anywhere, but it's still really cool though. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is honestly really cool. This is proper witchy spoon. Magical intention spoon. Oh, this is going to be hard to open with one hand. Oh, that's really cool. Witches, brews, herbal teas and their properties. Oh, that's nice. So there are some tea flavors and ingredients, and then a little bit of like explanation what they are good for. Oh, that's cool. So this is the wooden essential oils holder. This is awesome. It's actually quite like, you know, sturdy. It's heavy. Nice. So you can just place it on an altar. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, there's an essential oil. Abundance essential oil blend. Nice. Smells very licoricey. It has patchouli, orange and cinnamon, almost. This is so cool. It's quite a good sales tactic. Now it's like literally screaming for you to buy the 3 remaining. So this is Good Fortune Rooibos Tea Blend. It smells really good. I like how the plastic bags have been branded as well. It looks a bit less dodgy. It smells exactly the same as this does. Oh, there's the moonstone that was on the leaflet. Every single item, including the spoon, came with instructions. What is it used for, like in magical sense. So you don't necessarily need to be a witch or pagan. I think if you're just interested in and you think this kind of stuff looks really cool, I think it's quite good. You don't need to be, you know, to have any insight necessarily. Now we go to the last one, which I'm the most excited about. And this is worth more than £29, I think. Because a lot of this looks like very like handmade, and they're unique as well. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that. This is so cool. If you are a pagan, you would potentially use this very differently to if you were a non-pagan. You could use any of these regardless. If I wasn't a pagan, potentially I wouldn't be so excited about this. It is that extra mile if you actually can use these in your practice. Even if you weren't necessarily pagan or you were looking to get into it, because everything has an explanation. It's very much of a free magic kind of thing. It's not like directed to any specific nature religion. It's just very general. But yeah, I think this is really cool. I think it was definitely worth it. If you are interested in knowing more or getting involved, go and check out the home of the Magickal monthly subscription box. I will leave the links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed unboxing the March 2021 Witch Casket with me. Have a magical day!